welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna show you how to cook this delicious meal for the family. Don't forget to press the button to subscribe.
The best way to cook meat. Cut the pork belly diagonally. Cut the meat in half. Add butter. And grated garlic. Spread the butter with a rolling pin. Sprinkle with chopped parsley. Roll the meat into a tight roll. Wrap in baking paper and aluminum foil. Bake for 45 minutes. In vegetable oil. Melt the butter. Fry the finely chopped onion. With a grated green apple. Add flour. Pour in the liquid cream. Add finely chopped garlic. Black pepper. And salt. Boil the sauce for 15 minutes. Cut a cucumber into thin slices. Add radish cut into rings. Red onion cut into strips. And canned corn. In Greek yogurt. Add mayonnaise. Mustard. Honey. Crushed garlic. Lemon juice. Finely chopped dill. Salt. Black pepper. And chili flakes. Mix the sauce. Add the sauce to the salad. And mix the salad. Grease the meat with soy sauce. Bake for another 20 minutes.